Hello everyone and welcome back to another video where I'm going to show you a new airdrop that Binance is doing with CARV. So let's dive in. Well, as you can see here we are looking at Binance X CARV airdrop where you can join to get a share of 1 million CARV and 13,000 USDC. Okay, so what do you have to do here? Well, you can join daily, like pressing day 1, day 2, day 3 in a streak. You can bind your accounts to get more points. You can follow on Twitter, on X, on Discord, on Telegram, and you can play to earn these points that are used to be on a top here. And if you get to this top, you will be getting rewards. So you have to log in with your wallet, joining in the link I left you on the description, and you can see here at the top the price pool, about Binance Web3 wallet, about CARV, and you can get a good airdrop. So let's check in, figure out if you can join this and enjoy the airdrop. I will bring a lot of news about airdrops, so check out my channel, subscribe, like, comment, share, and press the bell in the subscription button. And well, check out my channel. Goodbye and easy way.